Adam Cannon, and we are the Cannon Group with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to our newest luxury listing, 295 Deer Fern North, located on 5 tabletop acres in the picturesque Laurel Highlands. Located along the westernmost ridges of the Appalachian Mountains, the Laurel Highlands offer beauty and adventure year-round. This remarkable home is just minutes from the Hidden Valley and Seven Springs resorts, home of the area's best skiing. Miles upon miles of hiking and biking trails, trout fishing, farmers markets, and some of Pennsylvania's most iconic architecture. Highlights of this luxurious mountain home include full timber construction, high-end custom finishes at every turn, a detached heated 3-car garage, a wraparound deck complete with a gorgeous outdoor stone fireplace, 4 private bedrooms including a main floor primary suite, 4.5 beautifully appointed baths, vaulted ceiling, a dramatic 27-foot tall stone fireplace, and a unique 2-level loft. The completely finished lower level features 2 ensuite bedrooms, walkout patio area, and your own personal in-home theater. The heating and cooling are ultra efficient, utilizing geothermal HVAC technology. Affectionately known as the Christmas House, 295 Deer Fern North Drive is being sold fully furnished and includes everything you see here. Festive, cozy, and luxurious, this home truly has it all.
Thank you for joining us on our tour. I'm Brianna Markham of the Cannon Group with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. We hope to see you soon on the mountain.